Interpersonal and team skills are not only valuable in the workplace, but also in personal and social settings. A project manager with a practical understanding of how to cultivate a positive team environment establishes clear communication channels and navigate complex team dynamics. Interpersonal and team skills are essential for project management success, but often overlooked in traditional project management trainings. Let's briefly discuss some of them that are also mentioned in PMBOK. First up, we have the nominal group technique. The nominal group technique enhances brainstorming with a voting process used to rank the most useful ideas for further brainstorming or for prioritization. The nominal group technique is a structured form of brainstorming consisting of 4 steps. The first step is a question or problem is posed to the group. Each person silently generates and writes down their ideas. Second step is the moderator writes down the ideas on a flip chart until all ideas are recorded. Thirdly, each recorded idea is discussed until all group members have a clear understanding. And finally, individuals vote privately to prioritize their ideas, usually on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. The voting may take place in many rounds to reduce the focus in on ideas. After each round, the voters are tailed and highest scoring ideas are selected. Observations and conversation. Observation and conversation provide a direct way of viewing individuals in their environment and how they perform their jobs or tasks and carry out processes. It is particularly helpful for detailed processes when the people who use the product have difficulty or are reluctant to articulate their requirements. Observation is also known as job shadowing. It is usually done externally by an observer viewing a business expert performing a job. It can also be done by a participant observer who actually performs a process or procedure to experience how it is done to uncover hidden requirements. Then we have facilitation, which is used with focus sessions that bring key stakeholders together to define product requirements. Workshops can be used to quickly define cross-functional requirements and reconcile stakeholders' differences. Because of their interactive group nature, well-facilitated sessions can build trust, foster relationships, and improve communication among the participants, which can lead to increased stakeholder consensus. In addition, issues can be discovered earlier and resolved more quickly than in individual sessions. Some of the facilitation techniques worth quoting are joint application design or development, quality functional deployment, and user stories. So let's briefly discuss scenarios in which these types of facilitation skills can be used. For joint application design or development, or JAD, the JAD sessions are used in the software development industry. These facilitated sessions focus on bringing business subject matter experts and the development team together to gather requirements and improve the software development process. The quality function deployment, or QFD. In the manufacturing industry, QFD is another facilitation technique that helps determine critical characteristics for new product development. QFD starts by collecting customer needs, also known as the voice of the customer. These needs are then objectively sorted and prioritized, and goals are set for achieving them. Then we have the user stories. User stories, which are short textual description of required functionality, are often developed during a requirements workshop. User stories describe the stakeholder's role, who benefits from the feature role, what the stakeholders need to accomplish, which is a goal, and the benefits to the stakeholder, which is motivation. See you in the next lecture.